Okay, wait. So you're telling me that last Christmas you actually told your boss's family that you were excited to eat their dead grandmother?
No, no, no. I said I was excited to try their bread, Grandma. But yeah, it came out wrong.
Oh my gosh, that's exactly why today's lesson is so important. If you've ever said something in English during the holidays that made people look at you like this, don't worry. We're going to fix that right now. Stay with us.
Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Hey, hey, happy almost Christmas, everyone. Or if you're listening after, Happy New Year. We are so excited to be here with you today.
Today's episode is special. We're doing a full Christmas conversation. Real English, real phrases, the kind of stuff people actually say during the holidays.
Exactly. And by the end of this lesson, you're going to sound natural, confident, and ready for any Christmas party, dinner, or video call with English speakers.
Whether you're talking to friends, coworkers, or even strangers, you'll know exactly what to say. So grab your notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive in.
All right, Max, let's start with the basics. Imagine it's Christmas Day. You walk into a room, your friend's family is there. What's the first thing you say?
Easy. Merry Christmas.
Perfect. But wait, some people say Happy Christmas. Is that wrong?
Nope, not wrong at all. In British English, people often say Happy Christmas. In American English, we usually say Merry Christmas. Both are correct.
Right. So don't worry if you hear both. They mean the same thing. Just pick the one that feels natural to you. I say Merry Christmas because I grew up with that, but my British friends always say Happy Christmas.
Exactly. And here's a little tip. If someone says Merry Christmas to you, just say it back. Easy.
Let's practice. I'll say it first. Merry Christmas, Max.
Merry Christmas, Lily.
See? Simple. Now, listeners, try it. Say it out loud. Don't be shy. Merry Christmas.
Great. Okay, now let's move to the next part. After you say Merry Christmas, people usually ask, How are you? Or How's your Christmas going?
Yes, and this is important. You don't need a long answer. Keep it short and positive. For example, I'm good, thanks. How about you? Or, it's going great. How's yours?
Perfect. Let's try a quick role play. Lily, imagine we just met at a Christmas party.
Okay. Hey, Max. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Lily. How are you?
I'm great, thanks. How's your Christmas going?
It's going really well. Just enjoying time with family. How about you?
Same here. It's so nice to see you.
And there you go, a perfect, natural start to a Christmas conversation. Notice how we kept it short, simple, and friendly.
Exactly. No stress, no overthinking. Just be warm and kind. That's the key.
All right, so now you've said hello. The next question people love to ask is, what are you doing for Christmas? Or do you have any plans?
Yes, this is super common. And again, you don't need a long, complicated answer. Just share a little bit about your day or your plans.
For example, you could say, I'm spending time with my family, or I'm cooking dinner with my mom, or I'm just relaxing at home.
Or if you're doing something fun, you could say, I'm going to my friend's house for a party, or I'm watching Christmas movies all day.
Nice. And if someone asks you, what are you doing for Christmas? Just answer naturally. Then ask them back. It's polite. For example, I'm staying home this year. How about you?
Perfect. Let's try another role play. Max, you start.
Okay. Hey, Lily, do you have any plans for Christmas?
Yeah, I'm going to my sister's house for dinner. We're cooking a big meal together. What about you?
Oh, that sounds great. I'm staying home this year, just having a quiet Christmas with my dog.
Aw, that sounds so nice.
See how natural that was? It's just a friendly back and forth. No pressure.
Exactly. And here's a little cultural tip. English speakers love to ask about Christmas traditions. So be ready for questions like, do you have any Christmas traditions? Or what do you usually do on Christmas?
Right, and you can share anything. For example, in my country, we eat a special meal on Christmas Eve, or we always open presents on Christmas morning.
Or if you don't celebrate Christmas, you can just say, I don't celebrate Christmas, but I enjoy spending time with my family during the holidays.
Exactly. Be honest, be yourself. People just want to get to know you.
Okay, listeners, your turn. Imagine someone asks you, do you have any Christmas traditions? What would you say? Think about it. Maybe even pause the video and say your answer out loud. Practice makes perfect.
All right, Lily, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, food.
Yes, Christmas food. This is such a fun topic because every culture has different traditions and people love talking about it.
Absolutely. So here are some common questions you might hear. What are you eating for Christmas? Or what's your favorite Christmas food?
Right. And again, just answer simply. For example, we're having turkey and potatoes. Or I love Christmas cookies. Or we always eat ham on Christmas Day.
Perfect. And if someone asks you about your country's food, you can say, in my country, we usually eat, then add name of dish. Easy.
Yes. And here's a fun one. If someone offers you food, they might say, would you like some? Or help yourself.
Ooh, yes. Help yourself is a super common phrase. It means take as much as you want. You don't need to ask permission. Just go ahead.
Right. So if someone says, there's pizza in the kitchen, help yourself, it means go get some pizza. Don't be shy.
Exactly. And if you want to be polite, you can say, thank you, this looks delicious, or everything looks amazing.
Love it. Okay, let's do another quick role play. I'll offer you food.
Okay.
Max, would you like some Christmas cake?
Oh, yes, please, thank you. It looks delicious.
Help yourself, there's plenty.
Thank you so much.
Perfect. See how polite and natural that was?
Exactly. Just be thankful, smile, and enjoy the food.
Always. Okay, listeners, imagine someone offers you food at a Christmas party. What would you say? Practice out loud. Yes, please, thank you. Or, this looks delicious. Go ahead, say it.
All right, everyone, quick pause. If you're enjoying this lesson so far, give us a thumbs up. It really helps us make more episodes like this.
Yes, and listen, most learners make one big mistake during Christmas conversations. Do you know what it is?
We're about to tell you, and if you fix this, you'll sound like a native speaker. Ready?
Let's go.
Okay, Lily, what's the big mistake?
All right, here it is. Many learners try to translate directly from their language, and it doesn't work.
Yes, for example, in some languages, you might say something like, I wish you a good Christmas. But in English, we don't say that. We say, Merry Christmas or Have a great Christmas.
Exactly. Or another one, some learners say Happy New Year Day instead of Happy New Year. We don't say day at the end.
Right. So here's the rule. Don't translate word for word. Learn the natural English phrases. Use them exactly as native speakers do.
Yes, and here are a few more common mistakes. Listen carefully. Number 1, don't say I wish you Merry Christmas. Just say Merry Christmas.
Number 2, don't say, I want to wish you happy holidays. Just say, happy holidays. Simple.
Number 3, don't say thank you for the invite. Say thank you for inviting me. Much more natural.
See the difference? Small changes, big impact.
Exactly. Okay, let's practice. I'll say the wrong way, you say the correct way. Ready, Max?
Ready.
I wish you Merry Christmas.
Correct is Merry Christmas.
Thank you for the invite.
Correct is thank you for inviting me.
Perfect. Listeners, now you try. Repeat after Max. Say it out loud. Get it into your muscle memory.
All right, everyone, it's time for a fun challenge. We're going to do a role play and we want you to participate.
Yes! Here's the situation. You're at a Christmas party. You walk in, your friend greets you, you need to say hello, ask how they are, and talk a little about your plans. Ready?
I'll be your friend, you be yourself. Let's go. Hey, Merry Christmas. It's so good to see you.
Great. Now they might ask, how's your Christmas going?
Awesome. And now you ask them, what are you doing today?
Perfect. You did it. See? That wasn't scary at all, was it?
Exactly. The more you practice, the easier it gets. And remember, people are not judging your English. They just want to have a nice conversation with you.
So true. Just relax, be yourself, smile, and enjoy the moment.
All right, let's talk about the end of the conversation. How do you leave a Christmas party or dinner politely?
Great question. First, always say thank you. For example, thank you so much for having me, or thanks for inviting me. I had a great time.
Yes, and if someone gave you food or a gift, you can say, thank you for the delicious food, or thank you for the lovely gift.
Exactly. Be specific. It shows you really appreciated it.
Right. And then before you leave, you can say, Merry Christmas. I hope you have a wonderful holiday. Or Happy Holidays. Take care.
Perfect. And if you want to keep in touch, you can add, let's catch up soon, or let's talk after the holidays.
Love it. Okay, let's do one final role play. We're leaving a Christmas party. Ready?
Ready. Max, I'm heading out. Thank you so much for having me. The food was amazing.
Oh, thank you for coming, Lily. I'm so glad you could make it.
Me too. Merry Christmas. I hope you have a wonderful holiday.
You too. Merry Christmas. Let's catch up in the new year.
Sounds great. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Bye. Perfect. See how warm and natural that was?
Exactly. Just be kind, be grateful, and leave on a positive note.
All right, everyone. Let's do a quick recap. What did we learn today?
Number 1, always start with Merry Christmas or Happy Christmas. Keep it simple.
Number 2, when someone asks about your plans, answer briefly and ask them back. It's polite and keeps the conversation going.
Number 3, talk about food. People love it. Use phrases like, this looks delicious, or have yourself.
Number 4, avoid direct translation. Use natural English phrases like, thank you for inviting me, instead of, thank you for the invite.
And number 5, always say thank you before you leave. Be warm, be grateful, be kind.
Yes, and remember, the goal is not to speak perfect English. The goal is to connect with people, to share joy, to enjoy the holiday season.
Absolutely. Your English doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be you.
Exactly.
All right, friends, that's it for today's lesson. We hope you feel more confident and ready for your next Christmas conversation.
Yes, and we want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite Christmas tradition, and which phrase from today's lesson will you use first?
Exactly. We read every single comment, and we love hearing your stories, so don't be shy. Share with us.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's learning English. It helps us so much.
Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a lesson.
Yes, because next time, we're going to teach you how to talk about New Year's resolutions in English. You're going to love it.
It's going to be amazing, so make sure you come back.
All right, everyone. From both of us, Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays if you celebrate something different. We wish you all the love, joy, and peace this season.
Absolutely. Take care of yourselves, practice your English, and remember, you're doing great.
See you in the next one.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.